I can tell when I'm logged in because it has my name. I set it up to also have a picture at the top right. So it's a little bird there. That just helps to identify myself. I'll show you how to put a picture there if that's something you'd like to do. So I'm going to go over to the main menu on the left, and down at this profile button is where I set up that little picture. That is something you can do if that's something you'd like. Checkouts. So before I show my checkouts, which I'm going to do really quickly, I just want to mention to all staff and students that your checkouts is private information. Part of my job as librarian is for only you to have the information about what you have checked out. That is no one else's to have access to, only you. So I'm going to show you mine real quick, which is a little bit of a breach of privacy for me, but because I'm using it for learning purposes, I feel like that's okay. I would never show a student's checkouts on the computer to the whole school like I'm doing with my own. Down below checkouts is a holds button. This is where you can go find out what books you have on hold that haven't been pulled for you yet from the library or that are still checked out by other students and aren't available yet. There's a place for fines. Our library does not have fines. There's a place for history, and this is an awesome button. So this is where it's going to show you all the books that you've checked out previously on your library account. As a new student, you won't have anything here yet if you haven't checked out anything from our library. If you've been a student here for years, you'll probably see lots of books that you might recall checking out last year or in previous years. So that's a really handy tool if you have a report and you forget, oh no, I returned the book already. What was it called that I read a couple months ago? It will be in your history. And the last spot here is favorites. This is where you can save books that you want to read in the future, but that you're not ready for just yet. I like to save books here, so I always have an idea of what I want to read next when I'm done with what I'm reading. All right, I'm going to take you to my checkouts real quick. So my checkouts show me the book, they show me the title, they show me when it's due, which is really helpful. And right now I'm looking at the books I have out and I remember, oh, I already finished this one. I need to make sure I check it back in and bring it back to the library. And I see a renew button. The renew button will only be able to be used if your book is not overdue. If it's already overdue, you're going to have to email me if you would like to renew your book for longer. The checkout periods are 1 week longer. They're 3 weeks this year instead of 2 weeks because some students who are at home, it's going to take you longer to get your book to and from school. I do want to show the holds real quick. Oh, I don't have anything on hold, but if I had books that were on hold that weren't ready for me yet, this is where they would be. And favorites, real quick look at that. So I favorited one book so far, and history shows me all the books I've checked out lately, which is such a cool tool. All right, I hope this helps you use your library account even better this year. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'm happy to help you with checking out books. Thanks so much.